Welcome to Tech and Home Chronicles, where smart living meets simple solutions. Today we're reviewing the Cooluli Mini Fridge, a portable 4-liter cooler and warmer that's become a favorite for dorm rooms, van life, and even skincare lovers. Let's break down the good and the bad so you can decide if it's worth it. First off, this thing is tiny but mighty. It holds up to 6 cans or small items like snacks, baby bottles, medications, or cosmetics. It's ultra-portable, super quiet, and can run off a wall outlet, your car's DC port, or even a USB power bank. That makes it perfect for bedrooms, offices, road trips, or hotel rooms. And the best part? It's not just a cooler, it can also keep things warm. So it's surprisingly versatile for such a small footprint. Now, keep in mind, it's not a full fridge. It cools about 35 degrees Fahrenheit below room temperature. So if your room is 75 degrees Fahrenheit, expect your drinks to hover around 40 degrees Fahrenheit. Also, don't expect it to chill things instantly. It takes a couple of hours to cool down and works best if items go in already cold. Finally, space is limited. It's perfect for essentials, but not for storing a week's worth of snacks. So, is the Cooluli Mini Fridge worth it? If you want a small, quiet, energy-efficient cooler for personal use, this is a solid pick. Just know what it's built for, and don't overestimate its cooling power. Check the video description for the Amazon link and any limited-time deals, and as always, do your own research before buying to make sure it fits your needs. Like and subscribe for more quick, honest reviews, right here on Tech and Home Chronicles. Thank you very much, and I'll see you next time.